Smart Aquaculture, saving water and maintaining a constant temperature, an application story from ICP USA. With the current climate condition, aquaculture has been affected by high temperatures, heat waves, short-term rainfall, and cold air masses. These conditions increase production risk in the industry. To reduce these risks, farmers have conducted ways to use new forms of energy management by utilizing multiple forms of renewable energy, such as solar energy and wind power. With these new forms of renewable energy, farmers can implement IoT technology to build intelligent systems for smart farming and remote monitoring. This can help the aquaculture industry to increase the ability to reduce production risk, improve production efficiency, and to enhance the production capacity. Industrial-grade sensors capture water quality and temperature from the fish ponds. Industrial automation is introduced to the ponds to analyze the benefits of power efficiency, water reduction, bait feeding, and protection from the cold. ZigBee wireless transmission, I/O modules, and communication converters are used in the pond to integrate with other equipment. All equipment work together to transfer real-time data from the pond to the control room over wireless communication. The power meters measure the power generated from the solar panels and wind turbines. Power consumption data from the automatic bait feeding machine as well as the water heater can therefore be acquired. The data for the power generation and the power consumption was then transmitted back to the central server through the wireless transmission modules. The ZT2551 and the ZT2550 are the ZigBee devices used for wireless communication. The former was connected to an electricity meter via the RS-485 interface, which is a communication port that measures the power generation, while the latter, situated in a control room, communicate together wirelessly. The server in the central control room is responsible for receiving, reading, and storing the data for the voltage, electric current, and power into the database, together with other power generation and consumption information. The TM-P4C4 and the TM-DA1P1R1 are remote I/O modules that are connected so remote operation can be performed from the control room. If the air or water temperature in the pond decreases to below a pre-configured level, the system will automatically turn on the water heater until the water temperature increases to the level required for the fish to survive. And if the water temperature is too high, a butterfly valve will be automatically opened, as well as starting an air blower to cool down the water temperature. The operators of the fish pond can also manually control the bait feeder and the amount, interval, and frequency of the feeding. Andisoft's SCADA software is used to integrate, automate all the devices, and provide real-time data and trend graphs that remote users can view by browsing a web interface or HMI display. The VPD173 is a 7-inch touch HMI device installed in the fish pond. The pond operators can monitor the real-time data and use touchscreen to override or manually control from each heater, bait feeder, and water valve. This smart aquaculture solution has functions that include aquaculture automation, remote monitoring, and edge computing, which improve the ability of those involved in the aquaculture industry to assess and solve issues in the face of production risk, enabling them to progress towards digitalization and sustainable development. For more information, please visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.